How's it going, PhonLab? It's Root Junkie here, and today I've got another fun FRP video for you. This is going to be for Asus. So let's open up the file here. Now this is PhonLab Asus FRP Tool, and basically for Asus devices it should go ahead and remove FRP on pretty much all of them. And it's really simple to use. So that's what we're going to do today, is go ahead and show you this tool. It's pretty cool. So on the device over here, you can actually see, if I can wake it up, you can see that we're on the FRP screen, right? Previously locked Google account. So we're going to go ahead and run the tool. And here it is. Just set it down here so we can load up. While it's doing that, let's go ahead and run that in the background so we can see what's going on. And basically, this is really simple. It just tells you to power it off and put it into fast boot or bootloader mode. So you can see what we're on right now. We'll go ahead and power it off. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hold volume up. So on here it's this little button right there. You're going to keep holding it and you're going to plug in the USB cable. And just keep holding it until the device boots fully up. And it should go right into fast boot / bootloader mode. So we're just waiting for that to happen. And then once it gets in here, you can let go of it and just let it sit here in fast boot / bootloader mode. Okay, from here, very, very simple. Just push any key to continue on the script. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to wait until the computer sees the device here in fast boot mode. So that's why I have the console open here, because it just saw it, and that's interesting. And you can see that the device is currently rebooting, which is what it says it's doing right here. And we're waiting for it to connect up. Now, it is very important that you have your drivers installed, so that's why I have this open. If you need to install drivers, you can do that. They are included in the package, so I've got them, and you'll have them with the zip with this PhonLab Asus FRP tool. So it's really simple from here. We're literally just going to let the script run. I mean, I basically click continue, but besides that, we're just going to watch it. So right there you can see that my drivers are in fact installed. And right now it's going to check some things. So it checks and gives you some information about the device and basically reboots it. Once it's done here, you're done. FRP is going to be removed off this device and you'll be good to go. But it does tell you what device you're on right there, so you can see what I was on. And then at this point it just says press any key to continue, which is just going to close out the script or the exe, and you're done. Now we're just waiting for the device to reboot. But like I said, I can include the drivers right here if you need them. You can install drivers without any issue right there. You'll have those drivers. And then here is the tool, the exe tool that removes FRP from Asus devices. This should work on a ton of them, all the Zen phones, Asus, Zoom, and all these different phones that they have out there. This should function on there. So we're just going to let it finish booting up here and just show you that in fact we have removed FRP. And just to show you that we can actually even go into settings here really quickly and go to About Phone, Software, and then we can turn on developer options. There you go. You're now a developer. And if we go back, developer options. There you go. It is done. FRP has been officially removed. It's that simple. Guys, basically run a script, click a button, and you are ready to rock and roll. So, hope you guys have liked this little tool here. I'm definitely going to have it linked below the video. If you have any questions about it, please comment below. But that's going to wrap it up for me, and this will be a pretty fun one. Like I said, when it comes to Asus, FRP is non-existent at this point. Oh yeah. Catch you guys in the next one. Root Junkie out.